You can earn $7,000 a week with this completely new website using Google search, where you can earn up to $5 per person you refer to this website for completely free, which is one of the best ways to make money online. This website is available worldwide. As you can see, people from different countries around the world withdrawing money from this website every single minute. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Google and search for Google Docs in the search bar. Select the first search result from here and that's gonna take you to this page where you just need to click on Go to Docs. Then it will take you to this page where you just need to select the blank document option from there and you will land on this Google Docs page, which is a free service from Google where you can write about anything. Now I want you to keep it open like that. We will come back to it later. Now the second step is you want to go over to this affiliate program, which as you can see allows you to earn up to $100,000 per month. Now, this website is just like an Amazon for UK and it is slightly different than Amazon. It has different products but it pays a lot more in affiliate commissions than Amazon and you don't have to be in the UK to use it. You can use it from literally anywhere in the world and you can make money with this website without actually selling your own products, without having your own website and without investing any money. And the best thing is that you can earn $5 for every person you refer to this website, which is really awesome. So these are all the different products that are available on this platform. And by the way, the name of this website is Temu.com and this is the homepage of Temu. Now, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and you just want to click where it says Affiliate and Influencer Program because that will allow you to earn up to $7,000 per week. As you can see, these are the earnings that are now in real time being withdrawn by other users. Thousands of dollars that are being made and transferred to PayPal by all the different affiliates that are using this website. Now there are two options to make money with Temu. You can either earn commissions and referral bonus as an affiliate, or you can get free products and earn commissions as an influencer. As a Temu influencer, you will get free products worth $300 for your videos, plus commission on the sale of the products. And as a Temu affiliate, these are the benefits that you get. Temu has already paid $5 million in commission to its affiliates, and you can also earn up to 20% commission when your referral places an order on Temu. Even your referral also get $100 coupon and 30% discount on different products. And the best part is, you will get $5 for every new user that joins through your affiliate link. So our second step is to come over to Temu.com and register yourself as an affiliate by pressing the Sign Up Affiliate Now button. The sign up process is very simple. You just need to enter your email ID or your phone number. They will send you a verification link on it and you will be logged into your affiliate account, from where you will get your affiliate link, which will look something like this. Now the step number 3 is to earn $5 per referral. You can use this ChatGPT formula shared by my friend Dave Nick. I will leave a link to this document in the description of this video. You can download it from there. You just need to follow the steps from this document. So first thing first, you need to copy the first step from this ChatGPT formula. So just select it from here and copy it. Then just come over to ChatGPT and paste that in this box and press enter. Then ChatGPT will listen to your instructions and it will create a table of content for you. And once it does that, the next thing you want to do is go back to the document again and copy the second step from there. So just click on copy and paste it on ChatGPT in this box over here and you can just select the topic and then change this here. So for example, I'm going to go with this topic over here. So basically, you just need to copy the article from here and then remove this selected topic text and just paste the new topic here. Now it's going to give you different titles for this particular topic. So as you can see, here I have the titles. Now I can go back to the ChatGPT document and copy the third step from here and paste it on the ChatGPT again. And the ChatGPT will give you the hook, objection handling, open loop, introduction to the problem, and brief summary. Now again, you go back to the document and you can repeat this for step number 4, step number 5, and for step number 6. And you will have a full article in the written form and I'm going to show you exactly how to actually use this to make money. So now the step number 4 is to copy the entire article written by ChatGPT. So you can copy the article from here by just pressing this icon here and then come back to the Google Docs that we left open in the first step and paste the article here. Then you just need to remove some unnecessary stuff from this ChatGPT article, such as these hashtags. You will have to remove that, so take your time and then highlight the title again and make it a little bold. you can fully customize the article and make it look attractive to read. Again, I would need to remove these hashtags and then bold the section number 1. Then, I would highlight that and then I will remove parts that are unnecessary again. So, I really want to customize this and make it like a very good article, a very good guide. And the most important step is, between these lines, you just want to add the product that you are promoting from Temu.com. So, you just create a call to action or use the formulas from that PDF to generate a call to action using ChatGPT. So your call to action might be something like, click here to get the best workout program. And then, you just need to copy your affiliate link from Temu.com. Come back to the Google Docs and highlight the call to action part. Click on this insert link icon on the top and just paste your affiliate link in this box. Click apply and the link will be inserted to your call to action. Then, you can highlight that part and you can make it bold. And you can copy that same call to action and paste it between multiple lines in your article so that while someone is reading this article, they can actually see it and not miss out on that. Now, you can make this even bigger because this is going to be the title of our entire article. Also, you can give a name to the document if you want to. Then, just click on File, hover your mouse on Download, and you can download this as a PDF document to your device. Now the step number 5 is to promote your article and make money with it. You just want to go over to slideshare.net. This is one of the platforms that you can use to get absolutely free traffic to your PDF guide. And this is a platform that's, according to SimilarWeb, is being visited by 78 million people every single month. So come over to slideshare.net, where as you can see, some people are getting thousands of views on their PDFs, if not hundreds of thousands. So, you just want to click where it says sign up and create an account for free. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, you want to click on the upload button on top right corner of this website. And you want to select the document, which is basically the PDF guide that you have downloaded from Google Docs. And the reason you want to share it here is because not only can you get free traffic from slideshare.net, which has millions of visitors, but you can also rank on Google with these articles that you publish here on SlideShare. Now, you want to give title to your PDF on SlideShare, which you can simply copy from the Google Docs and paste it here. Then for the description also, you can copy the first paragraph from Google Docs and paste it in the description box. Next, you want to choose the category of your post, and for this, you can choose health and medicine from here. Then, you can give it some tags related to health and weight loss. Make sure the privacy is selected as public, and then you can publish the PDF on SlideShare, and your PDF will be live on SlideShare. Now, whenever someone will see your PDF, they will read it, and while reading it, they will find your call to action written in the PDF, which they will click on, and they will be redirected to Temu app, and as soon as they download the Temu app and register on it, you will be credited with $5 bonus into your Temu affiliate account. And there are millions of people that will watch your PDF, and some of them will register on Temu app using your link. Not only that, your SlideShare PDF may rank on Google search results, and you can attract many potential referrals from there too. Even if only 1,500 people register using your affiliate link, you will be earning over $7,000 a week. That's it for today. Like this video, and thanks for watching.